What's happening, guys? So in this video I'm going to teach you how to find company let deals for your rent to rent business. You can replicate this if you want to find service accommodation deals, but I'm going to show you exactly how I find some HMO deals. So without further ado, I'm sat in the office at the moment, currently on Rightmove. Very simple. All you need to do is go on Rightmove. In fact, let me flip the camera around and I'll show you what's going on Rightmove now. So very simple. We're on Rightmove here, and all you need to do is put your area in, which, as you can see at the top, I've got Bolton. Minimum 3 beds on your filtering, because remember, it's not just about getting 4-bedroom properties or more. If a property's got like a couple of reception rooms that can be turned into a bedroom, that also works. Minimum, maximum price, we can start to get into the real nitty gritty of filtering them down if you really want to. But at this point, you just want to keep your options open as much as possible, especially if you're at the beginning, because you literally just want to be getting your foot in the door, getting out there, contacting as many people as you can. Property type, we have put houses in, so the semi-detached, detached and terrace, the 3 house options. And then in terms of filters, we can filter out retirement homes. You can keep house shares on, and you can keep student accommodation on, because even if a property is listed as student accommodation, sometimes the landlord is actually open to company lets. So if we hit done, now obviously you've got like all your results, which here we've got 61 results. And we can start to go through the properties, and it's very simple. All you're doing is you're looking through the pictures. You can quickly scroll through them. You're just looking, has it got at least 4 usable bedrooms? So remember, some rooms can be a reception converted. So you're just looking, has it got at least 4 usable bedrooms? If it has, open the property in another tab. I don't know if this one has, but I'm just using it as a purpose. Open it in another tab. Go through the pictures again, double check, do the rooms look big enough? Is it a potential? In terms of rooms, has it got enough bathrooms? So remember, if it's 4 bedrooms, you can have 1 bathroom. If it's 5 bedrooms, you need at least 1 full bathroom and a separate toilet and sink as a minimum. If it's 6 bedrooms, you need at least 2 full bathrooms. So check your bathroom rules. And then in terms of communal areas, obviously kitchen, is it big enough? Is the other communal areas big enough? Do they pass the rules? If so, what you want to do, get the agent, call them up and try and book your viewing. Simple as that. You want to do as many of them as you possibly can. Flip the camera around back to my beautiful face. But yeah, that's as simple as it gets. You want to do as many as you can, contact as many agents as you can, get as many viewings booked in as you can, because we rent to rent, company lets, it's a numbers game, unfortunately. There's so many pricks out there that are doing this wrong, teaching it wrong, cocking it up for everybody else. It no longer becomes a game of pure skill. It's also mixed in there, like I said, a numbers game. We've just got to outnumber all the other people out there, build them relationships by outnumbering them, and that's how you're going to get your company let deals. And that's the unfortunate thing of it, guys. Like I said, there's too many people out there that are just chatting shit all over social media, all over the internet, making you think it's super like easy, making you think that you can just get this stuff like over the line by chatting shit to agents and landlords, and it's not like that. So that's now where landlords and agents have become wise to this and made it into a numbers game. So do that on Rightmove, go and do it on OpenRent, do the same thing on Facebook Marketplace, do the same thing on Gumtree, as many viewings as you can. That's how you get the company lets, guys. If you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the tutorial, if you found it interesting, please subscribe and like the video. It's super helpful to myself. Hopefully I've helped you guys. See y'all in the next one.